Hospitalization Dashboard, you have groups. The groups you can create yourself. Centers you can filter by insurance, line of business, PCP, and PBP. You can also filter by county, the county where the center is, and where the patient lives. And as additional filters, you can also search by the period of time that you would like to work on. Here you have inpatients, so your active patients in the hospital, long-term facility or nursing facility, emergency room, scheduled procedures, and pending discharge appointments. You also have some statistics about your hospitalizations, like admit per 1,000, total admission, total readmissions, total stay days, and average stay days. And the highest filter, top by patient admission, by readmission, and by total days. If you'd like to know who's actively in the hospital, you can go into details and then you have a complete list of your inpatients. Go into view and you have a detailed list of what's going on with that particular hospitalization. This also includes hospital name, hospital phone number, attending physician, diagnosis, description, diagnosis codes, etc. In this tab, you have all the data that ENS have put into the particular patient, hospitalizations on record, previous hospitalizations, and comments. The comments you can create yourself just by typing the observations. In this area, you'll find the discharge date, so you can close it out if the patient has been discharged, or you can close it with the scheduled discharge date available. Once a hospitalization is closed, a pending discharge appointment will appear right here to alert the provider that a post-discharge visit is needed. Let's go over hospitalization risk. This is artificial intelligence based on multiple factors and different patterns. It can show you which patients are at higher risk of going into the hospital, allowing you to prevent admissions. High-risk patients will also have an alert, denoted by a bell right next to their name. If you click on it, it will describe why the patient is at high risk of hospitalization. All across the platform, you can see that this patient has an alert for being at high risk of hospitalization. Also, a discharge list in which you can select a period of time and use the filters to pull up a discharge report. In the Report tab, there is a hospitalization report in which you can find statistics about your hospitalizations, like the day of the week that your patient goes into the hospital, admits per 1,000, readmission percentage, prescription costs, claims, etc. The report also provides complete information about each hospitalization with the diagnosis, code, descriptions, comments, claims, and prescriptions associated with that particular hospitalization. To complete the module, alerts can be set in a form of text message or email each time a patient is admitted.